If you're looking for a day trip near Taipei, try Wulai. You have waterfalls, old street, dog cart, and even a cable car ride. It's just one bus ride away from Taipei main station. Just ride the bus 849. Actually, yung biyahe is around 1 hour and a half, pero hindi mo mapapansin kasi ang ganda ng view. And once you're in Wulai, iba talaga ang charm ng town na to. Kahit maulan, tingnan nyo ang ganda. Para kang nasa Spirited Away. So, here, you can see, ang challenge lang dito, madaming stairs. Pero, madami ka talagang pwedeng magawa. This is the log cart and may surprise at the end sa may tunnel. Yun lang masasabi ko. And here's the waterfall. And then, up close ang ganda niya. And dito naman, nakapag-cable car din kami. And thankfully, kahit maulan is pwede naman. So, medyo tumila yung ulan. Pero hindi na din kami umakyat sa resort. And then, here yung pababa. And this is the view of the town. Super ganda niya, konti lang yung tao. So, if you're looking for a place like this, and gusto nyo na peaceful lang, wala masyadong tao, go to Wulai. Madali lang siya i-DIY.